Konnichiwa mga kamachi, welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to my dentist for adjustment. So this would be the last adjustment for the month of May. And then pumunta kasi ako sa Philippines for 3 weeks. So siguro mga last week of June ulit ako babalik sa dentist ko. Ayun, so I hope na maging okay yung ating ngipin so far. At hindi mo tanggalan ng bracket, ng wire, ng rubber kasi kakain tayo ng crispy pata doon. Wala makakapagpigil sa akin na kumain ng crispy pata at ng lechon. Ayun. So, I'm looking forward for that sumptuous. Yeah. So, I'll see you later. Update ko kayo. Bye! Ayun na nga guys. Iba yung ating kulay. Tsaka iba na rin yung wire. Ito ay navy blue or dark blue. Tapos ito silver pa din na rubber. Ayun. Yung pareho ng kulay. Pero yan, para mas makikita siyang pag binabrush, nakikita ko kung may dumi ba o ano. So that's my purpose kung bakit ko siya pinapalitan ng kulay. And yeah, I'm ready to eat crispy pata. So, yun guys, I'm done. So, I'll see you again on next month, my dental clinic. Yeah, I'm going to the Philippines. Yay! I'm going to the Philippines on the 25th. May 25th. So, yun. Ang ating bracket. I mean, yung ano pala, yung rubber. Ni ito dark blue ganyan, tapos ito iba na rin yung itsura ng wire. Ito makinis, ito hindi kasi hindi nila in-adjust kasi medyo hindi pa nagmo-move yung teeth ko, kaya yun. So ayun na. Yes. So that's it guys, I'm going home now or I'm going to Kaga Onsen Station para bumili ng train ticket para papuntang Nagoya on Saturday. So that's it guys, thank you for watching this vlog. I hope that you like this one. Kamatane. So yeah.